everyone, let's get you set up with Spotify Premium in just 2 minutes. Here's a quick step-by-step guide to unlock all those sweet benefits like ad-free listening, offline downloads, and high-quality audio. First, open your web browser and go to spotify.com/premium. You'll land on the official Spotify Premium page. Already have a Spotify account? Log in with your username and password. Don't have an account? No worries, click on Sign Up and create one for free. Once you're logged in, you'll see various premium plans. There's individual for solo users, duo for 2 people at the same address, family for up to 6 members with parental controls, and student for a discounted rate if you're in college. Pick the one that suits you best. Click Get Started or view plans on your chosen option. You might need to enter your address, especially for duo and family plans, to confirm you live together. Now let's talk payment. Choose your preferred method: debit card, credit card, or PayPal. Enter your payment details accurately. If you choose PayPal, you'll be redirected to log in and authorize the payment. Double-check your plan details and payment info. Everything looks good? Click Start My Spotify Premium or Buy Now to confirm your subscription. Congrats! Your account is now upgraded. If you don't see premium features immediately, try logging out and back in, or reinstall the app. Now, enjoy ad-free music, offline downloads, and all the premium perks. Remember, most plans offer a free trial, but be sure to cancel before it ends if you don't want to be charged. That's it. Enjoy your new Spotify Premium experience.